Hey everyone, my name is Jess and I'm from the Gold Coast Art School, and today I want to take you through our lovely school here so you can get a bit of an idea of what it's like. Okay, so the first area that I want to show you is our back studio, and this is where we have a lot of workshops and things, so let me show you what it looks like. This is our largest space at the school, and here is where we usually have classes for kids, we have classes for teenagers and adults. So when we have our beginner foundation class here, it's absolutely awesome. This place can sit 8 in the middle and then 2 on the side, so 10 altogether if you're doing your maths, and a teacher as well. So if you also wanted to use this space for your own classes, doesn't matter if it's digital stuff or crafting, let us know. Now I want to show you our second space, and this is the house, which is absolutely awesome. We have a lot of different classes here, and one of the fantastic things about it is that there's so many different rooms. So let me show you. When you first come into the house, you'll probably see me sitting in the office right over there, and I'll be greeting you. We've got a photocopier in there as well. Then when you come into this room, it's such a nice little space. It can sit 3 very comfortably, and then we can sit more people in here too. So this room here sits probably about 4. We've got enough room here that you don't necessarily have to sit. You can also set yourself up with one of our easels. Now, if you keep on coming around, you hit a little T section and you can either go either which way. Let's have a little wander. This sunroom is loved by a lot of our adult students in particular. You can stand and have your easel, you'll work on your easel, and it's just a really nice communal space. And sunroom, hello, there is light everywhere. It's quite amazing. Everybody loves it. Now, let me show you one more room. If you're the type of person who maybe doesn't like the communal space, but you prefer just your own quiet room, this could be the one that you want to work in. Usually when they have like maybe 1 or 2 people in this room at any one time, they've got benches and easels and everything happening here, and it's just a really nice space to work from. If you're somebody who would like to be doing your own workshops, you want to do your own Zoom sessions, your own course creation, and you need a room that is quiet, you have it all to yourself, then maybe this is a good space for you to rent out. And we can also help you out with your filming too. We really hope to see you here at the Gold Coast Art School very, very soon. You can either rent one of the spaces here or come along for our art classes. Just get in touch. You can contact us via the telephone or on email, and just follow us on social media as well. We really look forward to seeing you.